Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to withdraw from Hamster Kombat, and this is a full guide. So kicking off with this, as you can see, I'm logged into my Telegram and I'm going to open my Hamster account. So just click on play over there. When you click on play, you'll be loading up your Hamster account. So you have to be patient until it loads up. So it's downloading up, and as you can see, this is just a welcome back bonus. They're giving me around 538 coins. So just say thank you. When I say thank you, I'm literally claiming them. Okay, so kicking off, as you can see over here, I'm mining. Every tap I get 6 coins, okay, on every tap. So this means if I tap like this, I'll be getting 6 coins on every tap, regardless of anything. All right, so leaving that alone, when you come to profit per hour over here, okay, this means you're getting 24.22 thousand coins every hour. Even if you close your Hamster Kombat account, it will be mining this in the background. Okay, so that's it, guys. Okay, so now going ahead to the daily sci-fi. Okay, so to get the daily sci-fi, you have to click on this one over here. This is a daily sci-fi and it comes just after daily reward. So you click on daily sci-fi, and when you click on the daily sci-fi, you'll be getting 1 million worth. So for my case, I already got the daily sci-fi over here. If you see this tick over here, it means you've already got the daily sci-fi. So the next daily sci-fi will come after these hours over here, and that's 4 hours. All right, so how to get the daily sci-fi? When you click over here and it turns red, it means you can now come and input your code. If you tap on this one once like this, that's a dot. But if you tap and leave your hand for quite some time, it's more like a stick, okay, like that. So use that to input the code, let's say any word, and then you get the daily sci-fi code, which will help you get 1 million of these coins. All right, so leaving that alone, I'll just come and turn off the daily sci-fi mode. How? Just click on that and then it will go off. All right, so the next thing you're going to see how to connect your Tone wallet onto your Hamster Kombat. So you have to remember, guys, that when it's time for withdrawing, you'll be using a Tone wallet or any other wallet. So how do you connect it? Come to airdrop. When you come to airdrop, come to connect your wallet, and then you just tap on connect your wallet. So for my case, I'll be connecting my Tone wallet, and I already have the Tone Keeper application over here. So if you don't have the Tone Keeper application, please do and run ahead to your Google Play Store. If you're an iPhone user, go to your Apple Store and then search for Tone Keeper. When you search for Tone Wallet, you see this wallet over here. For my case, I already installed it, so make sure you come and open it. Okay, so before that, I'll just go back to my Hamster Kombat over here. I was saying you're connecting our wallet. So how do you connect your wallet? Just click on open wallet, or just select the wallet you want to connect. As you can see, there are a bunch of wallets over here. There's this one, which is my Tone wallet, Tone Hub, the wallet, Bitget wallet, and many more. So for my case, I'll choose Tone Keeper, and I would advise you to choose Tone Keeper. So if you choose Tone Keeper, it will automatically load up in the Tone Keeper wallet like that. So it's loading up in the Tone Keeper wallet, and you have to be patient until it's done. So the process I'm doing right now is to connect my Tone Keeper wallet. All right. So you have to be patient because in most cases, Tone Keeper takes long to load. As you can see, it's loading over here, and it will ask me connect to Hamster Kombat. So I'm connecting Tone Keeper to Hamster Kombat. So just click on connect, and I'll need to put in my code. This is more like a security code. So everyone has a security code in their wallet. As you can see, it's all done, and as you can see, it has connected. So guys, take note over here. You see this success over here? It means your wallet has been connected. And then another thing, it will tell you your Tone wallet is connected, and it will show an address over here. So this is my address to my Tone wallet. If you want, you can even copy it, and then you just copy it like that. All right, so to prove that your wallet is connected, you see this tick over here, and you're good to go. All right, so how to withdraw from this how to withdraw from Hamster Kombat. So guys, as you can see, we have connected our Tone Keeper wallet, but right now you can't withdraw from this Hamster Kombat. Why? Because the coin hasn't yet gone live. but the moment this coin goes live, you'll be able to withdraw from it. Alright guys, so as you can see, there are many sources which are suggesting that Hamster Kombat will likely be launched within a few weeks from now. That's like a month's time, but you can't prove that, guys. You have to just be patient, and then you have to continue mining, guys. So make sure that you keep on mining each and every day, because we're not yet sure which exchange is going to be listed. So for my case, guys, I connected it on my Binance over here. If you want, just come and tap on settings over there, and then come and select exchange over here. So just tap on choose exchange, and for my case, I selected Binance. If you want, you can come and choose Bybit. You can choose OKX. You can choose BingX. You can choose HTX. You can choose KuCoin. You can choose Get.io. You can choose Mex and also BitGet. So any of these exchanges, you can choose them. But for my case, guys, I recommend that you choose Binance, because you all know Binance is the most trusted exchange. Maybe if you're restricted from using Binance in your country, unless otherwise. So guys, coming back to the mining option over here, when you come to this mining sector over here, you can see there are some cards over here. This one is a fun token card. So guys, you need to make sure that you claim these cards. Why? Because when you claim these cards over here, they'll be increasing on your mining speed. So I'm taking an example. If I'm claiming this card over here, this one, which is the BTC pair, to claim this card, I'll be spending 495 of my tokens. So this means from these 5 million tokens I have, I'll spend 495 tokens, and then I'll claim these coins, and these coins will add 52 coins on my mining speed. So just click on go ahead, and then you claim it, and it will add 52 coins on your mining speed. So that's it, guys. Now let me head up and I claim this one. Okay? It's called the ETH pairs. So ETH pairs stands for Ethereum pairs. So just tap on that and then claim it. And as you can see, I've added on my mining speed. So alright guys, if you want to get updates from Hamster Kombat, what you'll do is just come on Earn over here, and then you have to be watching their YouTube videos. You can also join the Hamster Telegram channel by tapping on join channel over here, and then tap on join. So guys, when you join the channel, you'll be seeing the updates from Hamster Kombat official Telegram channel. As you can see here, they announced that we always work on making your experience better, and are happy to announce that you can now watch our YouTube videos in the languages below. So as you can see, guys, they have now diversified their languages. That's English, Spain, Persian, Japanese, Hindu, Germany, Korean, Chinese, Portuguese, and Russian. Alright guys, so that's it, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet once again.